Hey there, I'm Alex from WTI, and I've got to tell you, this product from Bold Uniq has done wonders for my hair. I have fine, thin hair, and I am always looking for products that are going to help add volume and texture and boost to my very, very thin, flat hair. This volume boost thickening spray from Bold Uniq has been exceptional. I followed the directions and styled my hair like I normally would, and I can't believe how much volume I have in my hair. This has been hours since I've done my hair this afternoon, and I still feel like I've got all this lovely, voluptuous volume in my hair. It feels so good. I actually just came back from seeing some of my friends, and I had two separate friends tell me that my hair looked so good today, and I could not say enough about this product from Bold Uniq. The application is extremely easy and it smells really nice. It's a very subtle, sweet smell to it. Nothing overpowering, overbearing, which I really like as well. I've also noticed that the more I use it, the thicker my hair feels, so it just keeps getting better and better. So if you're looking to get some gorgeous volume and texture to your hair, highly recommend this product from Bold Uniq, and that's my point of view.